Located in Ceará State, northeastern Brazil, ValOre's Pedra Branca palladium-platinum project is 4 hours by paved highway from the state capital of Fortaleza. ValOre's land holdings total over 56,000 hectares and benefit from a network of power lines and roads throughout. The town of Capitão Mor provides a well-serviced base of operations for ValOre's exploration team. ValOre's Pedra Branca mineral tenure strategically covers over 80 kilometers of a Paleo-Proterozoic mafic to ultramafic belt of rocks called the Troia unit, which has proven to be highly prospective for palladium-platinum mineralization. Previous project owners spent over $35 million on exploration, which included 30,000 meters of drilling, extensive geochemistry, geological mapping, and high-quality airborne and ground geophysics. Since the 2019 Pedra Branca acquisition, ValOre's exploration team has collected 699 rock samples and 4,705 soil samples throughout the district, which have served to advance and enable the discovery of numerous new zones of at-surface palladium-platinum mineralization. This geochemical data, added to the 1,200 rock assays and 17,000 soil assays collected by previous exploration groups. Highlight palladium-platinum assay results from rock samples include 224 samples grading over 5 grams per ton, 111 samples grading over 10 grams per ton, and 33 samples grading over 20 grams per ton, 2 PGE gold, which is palladium, platinum plus gold. Since acquisition, ValOre has augured 1,820 meters in 587 Trado holes. Highlight Trado results starting from surface include 12 meters at 1.73 grams per ton at Esparro Northwest, 10 meters at 1.64 grams per ton at Santo Amaro South, and 16 meters at 1.22 grams per ton 2BGE gold at Trapia South, with mineralization remaining open at depth in most of the Trado holes. In addition, 2,200 meters have been excavated in 41 trenches, with a highlight interval from a 2022 trench at the Ipueiras target of 64 meters of 2.68 grams per ton, including 25 meters of 4.65 grams per ton 2 PGE gold. A total of 45,606 meters in 503 core holes, 1,828 meters in 38 reverse circulation or RC holes have been drilled property-wide over the life of the project. Of that total, ValOre has drilled over 15,000 meters in 118 core holes and all of the RC drilling. The 2022 Pedra Branca inferred resource is an aggregate of 7 distinct deposits, which total 2.2 million ounces of palladium, platinum, and gold, grading a little over a gram per ton. These zones have been delineated from the north of the project at the Santo Amaro deposit, all along the Troia unit for more than 35 kilometers to the south at the Trapia deposit. Excellent opportunities exist for resource expansion and conversion of exploration targets into resource zones at multiple areas property-wide. Mineralization outcrops at surface, making all of the inferred resource zones potential open pit targets. A great example of this is the Esparro deposit, which hosts over 400,000 ounces 2 PGE gold, grading 1.16 grams per ton. Drill results from a 2021 ValOre metallurgical core drill hole really drive this point home, returning 77 meters at 2.95 grams per ton, starting right from surface. ValOre has already delivered significant expansion in resource zones since acquiring the project in 2019. The Trapia deposit inferred resource increased by 4 times from the 2019 to the 2022 estimate, starting with little over 200,000 ounces at 1.11 grams per ton in 2019 and growing to 885,000 ounces at 0.96 grams per ton in 2022 based on ValOre drilling. The discovery pipeline at Pedra Branca is full. To illustrate this, we have segmented the pipeline based on the work performed at each target area. 5 areas have been subject to extensive soil and rock sampling campaigns. 3 areas have been stratoaugered and or trenched and have returned favorable results that warrant more extensive exploration. 3 areas have been stratoaugered, trenched, and are now drill ready based on their compelling near surface resource potential. And 4 of the 7 zones, which comprise the 2022 inferred resource, are wide open for expansion. Stay in touch with us as our team continues to advance this exciting palladium platinum exploration project.